Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Fidelity Health App review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Fidelity Health App makes managing your health benefit account or employer sponsored plan way easier. You can check balance, pay bills, scan receipt, scan product barcode to verify HSA eligible item, upload photos of your health ID and get reimbursed all from your phone. On the downside, some users complain about login problem, limited receipt scanning functionalities, and other occasional sync issues. And also, the app appears to be restricted to certain employers sponsored by HSAs. Not all Fidelity HSA customers may have access. So, my opinion, if your employers support Fidelity Health Benefits tools, the app is absolutely worth using to streamline your HSA and FSA management. But if you are on a retail HSA or you need more advanced tracking, double check that your account is compatible before relying on it. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.